Yow, 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 yow.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Along with Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski. Welcome back, everyone, and buckle up while you're at it because this should be a doozy here this evening. International showdown here tonight. Does the environment change when you're playing nationally as opposed to a club?
100% it does, because it's a little bit different. You're not usually with regular teammates, so everything feels a little bit different, but you are playing for your country.
Two teams hungry for 2 points, and we are ready to drop the puck. Well, the hype for this one has been off the hook. Puck is dropped. Let's see if this one actually lives up to it. Sends it to the opposite corner. Quick pass to Forsberg. And now he angles it across to Carlson. Lets it fly. Stopped by the goaltender. Team Great Britain's got it in the defensive zone. Great Britain's got it across the line. And now he moves it quickly to Myers. Slides that one right across the blue line. Sends a pass over. Along the wing up the neutral zone. With possession along the wall. Moves it to Richardson. And a smart heads-up read to come up with the puck. With some momentum driving towards the net. Stopped by the goaltender. And now he moves it to Lee. Over the line they come. Right to the middle. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Comes up with a big-time glove save. Team Sweden's got it along the wall. They've got numbers. Sweden's got the puck against the boards. And it's a quick pass to Landeskog. Team Sweden's trying to make something happen in the offensive zone. Scores! On the rebound, he pops it!
Followed through to the net. He picks up this rebound, makes no mistake. Once the goalie leaves the puck in front of the net, the goalie's at your mercy, and he does not miss.
Sweden's got a quick goal here early in this first period, and with it, a different energy in this crowd.
Everybody gets ramped up a little bit. You score early, you hope you can. Now you have, you go get another.
Raquel's got the puck. Lets it go, and there's the save.
Time of the goal, 2 minutes, 38 seconds.
James Cebulski, Ray Ferraro with you here in the early going of this period. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Picks off the feed. Here they come on the attack. Shot, and he comes up with it. Team Sweden's been the better team to this point, and the stats show it. Pettersson's won the draw deep in the defensive zone. And he slides it quickly to Ekman Larsson. Handles the puck. From the opposite point. And he slides it quickly to Nylander. Puts it to the front of the net. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. There's the whistle as things will slow down here for a moment.
Always a good play. If you're not sure what's going on, freeze the puck.
Sweden's offense is off to a good start here in the early goings. Backlund's won the draw. Now a quick pass to Eriksson. Team Great Britain's looking to break out of their own end. Carries it in. Right in the slot, and that's picked off in front. Eriksson's got it through center. Takes the pass. Takes a wrist shot. Log jam in front. That's broken up. Oh, you could feel that from up here. Team Sweden's ready to go on the attack. Shot, glove save, quick reflexes.
Oh, sometimes you think you got lots of room to make a move. Not there. He got closed down and hammered. What a hit.
Sweden's had the shot advantages, and they also have the lead. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Blast from the blue line. Puck grabbed by Backlund. Silverberg's got the puck from the back end. Straight up the middle. Here they come. Hall's got it in the offensive zone. And that's taken by the defense. He might have a step here. He's clear. Stones him on the breakaway. And the puck stopper jumps on top of it to get a stoppage in play. Still lots of time left in the period. We've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Moves it quickly over to Backstrom. Into the corner of the attacking area. Takes that pass back at the point. Centering pass! Blocker save! Team Sweden's got a hold of it along the wall. Quick feed to Hedman. Through center along the wing. Takes the feed at center and moves forward. Moves the puck along the half wall. Here's a chance right in the slot, and that shot dies in traffic. Ekman Larsson's got it into offensive territory, and he stands tall in goal. Battle along the boards. Great Britain's looking to break out. Tries to get the puck to Hall. Hall's got it along the wing. Knocked away. We got a penalty coming up here on the play, and the official stops the play as somebody's off to the sin bin. Boarding is the call, and Ray, it's a tough one to argue.
He follows through a little bit high, a little bit hard, and it made a lot of noise. Those are often called.
Team Great Britain's man advantage unit will take to the ice for the first time tonight.
There have been times over the last couple of weeks where this power play looks great, other times not so good. But this is a key moment in this game, a chance to tie it up with the man advantage.
Takes the feed. And he gains the zone here. There's the whistle from the linesman calling an offside. Sweden still got time here in this first period to increase this lead. Face off here in the neutral zone, and we are back underway. Along the half wall with the puck. And now he moves it quickly to Lindholm. And it's a quick pass to Zibanejad. And that's picked off. Gray's carrying it ahead. Here's a short pass to Richardson. Richardson's got the puck along the wing. Quick pass to Richardson. And now he tries to get it across to Richardson. Puts it just wide.
He's looking to put that just inside the post. Just misses.
Great Britain's gained possession along the boards. Moves it around along the half wall. Wrist shot from the slot. And an easy glove save on the play.
Great tracking. He finds the puck. He gets the glove up. Makes the save on a dangerous chance.
Still a lot of time left in the period as we approach the midway mark. 1-0 the score. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Comes up with the stop. Heads to the back of the net, and he slides it quickly to Richardson. Takes a shot. Chance on the deflection. Makes the save. Right in front with the shot. Oh, wide of the net.
Wants to get rid of it quickly. Wants to get it to the net before the goalie's ready. Unfortunately, he just misses wide.
Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. And the puck leaves the zone. Pushes it across to Nylander. Moves it to Pettersson. Here's a chance. And that one's turned away. Team Sweden's up here in the first, and they could easily be up by more based on what they've done offensively. Puck is dropped, and we are back underway. Carries it across the line. Moves the puck and makes the save. With the tip, misses on the redirect. Again, the denial by the goaltender. Sweden's capitalized on their offensive abilities here in this first period. Backlund's won a big draw on their own end. And he slides it quickly to Eriksson. Slides it across, and not much on that one. Team Sweden still got time here in this first period to increase this lead. Backstrom's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Turns it away. Nice pass. Dumps it in. Sweden's got the puck behind the net. Long reach breaks up the momentum. Moves it quickly over to Klingberg. Into the offensive end now. Carlson's going to play it against the half wall. And I think he's seen enough because he stops the play covering up the puck.
Oh, guys are going to be bent over trying to gasp for breath. They'll be in favor of that move.
James and Ray with you tonight. More than half the period has been played. We got a 1-0 game to this point. While the setters are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Picked off in the open ice.
Sweden's been in the right position all game long. They've intercepted plays like this since the beginning.
With the stop. Team Sweden's up here in the first, and they could easily be up by more based on what they've done offensively. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Pass right back. It's a 2-on-1. On the attack along the boards. Pass right in front, and that one's broken up. Great block there. Lundqvist's going to slow things down and up for the whistle.
Oh, you got to kill the play eventually. That way everyone can get reorganized. I need to take another look at that. I thought there was room to get by. Clearly, I was wrong. I'm glad I don't have to take the hit he just took.
Sweden's capitalized on their offensive abilities here in this first period. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Denied by the goaltender.
Half of the goals in this league are scored from directly in front of the net. That doesn't happen with a save like this.
And now it's over to Gray. Takes the bank feed. And that's broken up with a stick in front. And the puck departs the zone. Takes the feed. Looking to make something happen along the boards. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Here's a chance, a 2-on-1. Makes it look easy with a glove. More than half the period has gone by. Hope you're enjoying this one. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Lets it go. Takes that one right in the logo. And we're going to get a whistle here. Team Sweden still got time here in this first period to increase this lead. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. Quick feed down low. Quick feed to Silverberg. Misses high.
Not a bad shot. He just tried to make it too perfect and shoots it over the crossbar.
And he makes the save. Here in the later stages of this period, we've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. And the goaltender grabs that one for a whistle to try to slow things down here. Sweden's execution has been on point so far here in this first period. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Comes up with the stop. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Now a quick pass to Myers. Flips it up to net. Nice save by the keeper to trap that puck in his chest. Team Sweden's got the lead here late in this first period. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Lets it rip, comes up with the stop. Scoops up the puck here. Here's a short pass to Hall. Dumps it in. Sweden's got the puck along the boards. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Backstrom. Back to the point it goes. And now he moves it quickly to Klingberg. Feeds it down low. And it's a quick pass to Klingberg. Richardson's got the puck in his own zone. Now he takes it over the line. Scooped up along the wall by Richardson. Hammers it from the point, and that's wide of the net. Slides the pass over to Carlson. And he slides it quickly to Forsberg. Receives the pass. Lets it go. That's turned aside from the blocker. Moved to the middle. Forsberg's got it against the boards. Scrum ensues along the boards. Puck scooped up by Richardson. Knight swooping in on the attack. Slides the puck near the front of the net. Denies him in front with a kick save. With the stop.
He clearly thought he had room to get by, but it got closed off in a hurry. He took a big hit there.
Team Sweden's been the better team here in this first period. More shots and more goals. Just a better all-around execution. Zibanejad's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Can't get it to go. Sends the pass over. Takes it across the blue line.
1 minute left.
Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Comes up with the stop.
Oh, that's a good look from the guys in the truck there. Look how he lines them up, times it perfectly, and throws his shoulder right through them.
Just here in the late stages of this frame, 1-0 the score. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Quick pass to Hedman. Zibanejad's got it across the line. Puck picked up by Steen. Oh, and he had the whole corner.
As the goalies have gotten better and better, you have to... Oh, there's going to be a penalty on this play here, James.
Maintains possession. The goaltender is quickly off to his bench to get the extra attacker out. A spirited battle along the boards for the puck. Penalty coming up as the whistle stops the play. Pretty cut and dry trip on that play.
Coaches will tell you, be careful with your stick, but you're trying to get the puck. I don't think a lot of times they do it intentionally.
Myers has won the faceoff. And just a bit outside.
19 minutes, 50
And that'll do it. Period number 1 is in the books. Well, a fun start at both ends of the rink. 1-0 is the score through the first frame.
Which one of your team players has the hardest shot? Who do you think is the fastest skater?
And while both teams get a refresher, we'll take one ourselves heading into the second period.
Competitions this season. Check our website out or call us here at the stadium.
Clean sheet of ice. Period 2 is set to go. Team Great Britain's man advantage is still intact as this period gets underway, and they win the draw. And now he angles it across to Richardson. Gets in front of it. Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. We got a 1-0 game to this point. Off the trot, he ties up his opponent. Here's a chance to clear the defensive zone. And manages to clear the zone. Great Britain's got the puck along the wall. Over the line they come. Takes the pass in the offensive zone. Breaks up the pass in the defensive zone. Gets it out of his own end. Lee's lugging the puck. And the puck's knocked loose. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Looks to set up at the point now. And he slides it quickly to Richardson. What a steal in his own end.
Team Sweden's coaches constantly work on this in practice, and that's to be in the right position to intercept pucks on the middle of the ice. They've done a terrific job tonight.
Sweden's got the lead on the scoreboard. A big reason of that has been the amount of pucks that they've been putting on net. Backlund's won it. Taken by Lindholm. We got a penalty coming up here as the officials blow the play dead. Pretty cut and dry with a tripping call here.
Yeah, but James, every player argues the tripping call because you feel like your stick was in the right place and the other guy stepped on it. Never your fault.
And it looked like there was some late moment lobbying there that didn't work.
It doesn't work.
No, none. And it's 4 against 4 here with the puck set to drop.
Puck control is critical on a 4-on-4 as the game is right now. Face-off holds greater importance to... Oh, look at that. Here we go. We got a penalty coming up right here.
There's the whistle stopping play. Penalty coming up here. Ericsson's getting 2 for hooking.
That's kind of a bad penalty to take. You reach out with your hands and the referee sees your stick parallel to the ice. He's going to call it most times.
Batten down the hatches. Things should open up here with a little 4-on-4 on the ice.
The last couple of years, we've seen different strategy 4-on-4 come into the game. What is apparent, when you get the puck, you keep it. You'll move it and hold it till the great chance opens up.
From off the boards, takes the feed inside the zone. Puck moved over to Landeskog. Landeskog's got it on the offensive end. Puts it on net. Easily turned away by the goaltender. James Cebulski, Ray Ferraro with you here in the early going of this period. 1-0 is where we sit at this point. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Too much traffic in the lane. Denied by the goaltender.
Yeah, he's a sharp save, James. Right in the middle of the ice, he makes the stop and pushes it away.
Team Sweden's been the more aggressive team offensively, and they continue to lead here in the second. Backstrom's won the draw. Slides it back to the blue line. Maintains possession of the puck along the blue line. That's off a stick. Slides the puck over.
This has been a heck of a shift for them. They've got them hemmed into the offensive zone. Now they can carry the puck around as the defenders are just going to play a tight box. They look exhausted.
And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. And as he skates back out onto the ice, it's a brief power play. They'll have to go to work here. And makes the save. And they remain a goal behind as the power play comes up short.
The only positive for the power play there is they didn't have to skate up and down the ice. They didn't generate anything. They had it in the zone, but really nothing very good about it.
Sweden's got the lead here early in this second period. Their offense has been clicking on all cylinders thus far. Now a quick pass to Carlson. Shot, and that one's stopped. Team Sweden's got the lead on the scoreboard. A big reason of that has been the amount of pucks that they've been putting on net. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Back to the blue line. Here's a chance on the doorstep. A rocker off the blocker. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Here they come on the attack. Into the corner. Handles the puck at the point. Nowhere for that shot to go through. Moves it to Silverberg. Moves the puck inside the offensive zone. Silverberg's going to play it to the corner. And now he moves it quickly to Lindholm. And now he moves it to Silverberg. Here's a chance. Misses wide of the net.
You don't get the puck dead center very often. He's got to capitalize.
You wonder if that'll come back to haunt them. Sweden's got the puck. Carries it in. They've got the defense outnumbered. To his teammate. Feeds it over to Hedman. Puts it on net from the point. Oh, what a beautiful glove save. Still lots of time left in the period. We've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. Moves it quickly over to Hedman. Too many bodies in the way. Team Great Britain's got the puck in the defensive end. Team Sweden's got a hold of it against the wall. Nylander's got it into offensive territory. Sends it over. Moved out in front. Denies him. Great defensive effort with the strip. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Sweden's got a hold of it along the wall. Moves the puck into the attacking area. A chance in front from the slot. Stopped by the goaltender.
In tight, he had to make an excellent save. We're going to back this up again and get another look at this stop the goalie makes. He makes a solid save on a really dangerous chance.
Team Sweden's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Sends a pass over. Carries it across the line. Knocked away. And now it's grabbed by Hall. Here's a pass down low. He got all of that one. Sweden's gained possession along the boards. And now he tries to get it across to Landeskog. With possession along the wall. What a great read breaking up the pass. O'Brien's got the puck. Right in front of the net. Big save. Nice pass back. Klingberg's got it in the offensive zone. Moves the puck along the half wall. And it's a quick pass to Carlson. Picks off the feed. And he slides it quickly to Gray. Long pass across the ice. Great heads-up play by the defender.
Sweden's coaches had talked about stick positioning to us before the game. There's a great example. They've done it all night.
Here he is, shot right in front. Stopped by the goaltender. Gets the puck over to Gray. Gray's got it along the wing. A chance from the slot. Traps that puck tight to his chest.
I want to get another look at this one, James. This looks like it hurts. I'm glad I'm in a suit here.
Team Sweden's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Forsberg's carrying it ahead. And he slides it quickly to Backstrom. Along the half wall with the puck. Along the boards, they battle for the puck back and forth. Moves it around along the half wall. Great hit on the play. Ekman-Larsson's taking it from his own end. Quick feed to Ekman-Larsson. Now a quick pass to Hedman. Comes up with a blocker save. And he passes it up ahead to Myers. Myers plays it into the offensive zone. On the attack along the boards. Lets it go. Stopped by the goaltender.
Ooh, you don't want to be on the receiving end of that. That is a freight train that went right over top of him.
Sweden's done a nice job of generating pucks on net, and as a result, they lead here in the second. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Here's the pass, and there's the save. Past the midway mark in this period, 1-0 the score. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Taken along the wall by Silverberg. Stopped by the goaltender.
Certain saves are more difficult than others. This one right from the slot is turned aside.
Lee's got it in the defensive end. Takes it across the blue line. Lugs the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. And that one's broken up. Here's a chance! And he comes up with it. Team Sweden's lead here in the second period, a direct result of being the more aggressive team offensively. And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone.
Landeskog's got the puck now. He had the go-ahead goal earlier.
And now he moves it quickly to Steen. Handles the puck. Oh, what a stop! And off the save, that one's redirected out of play.
Unfortunately for them, this save allows the puck to deflect out of play so they can get new guys on the ice. They were totally out of breath towards the end of that shift.
Sweden's message going into this one when we talked to them at the morning skate was to get a lot of pucks on net. They've done just that, and they lead as a result. Slides the puck to Hall. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Takes the feed at the back end. Takes the pass. Delayed penalty coming up here. There's the whistle, preventing any sort of opportunity to set up with the extra attacker. Landeskog's going to go off for a pair for charging here.
I didn't like that hit. You can see how he was angry with the way that he was hit. Now his opponent goes to the box for two.
Ray, you could see that one coming from a mile away way up here.
Easy call.
Another special teams opportunity for both sides as the man advantage unit is back to work again.
Down one, a chance to tie on the power play. What a great chance for them here. But you can't stress. You have to be confident and aggressive, but don't force anything.
And it's a quick pass to Gray. Takes the feed. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. With possession along the wall. Misses over the net.
Yeah, he's going to have to adjust the sights on that one. That thing's off target by a long way.
And he slides it quickly to Lee. Moves the puck. Chase right in front. Stopped by the goaltender.
He's not going to face many more high-danger chances than that, but he snares that attempt.
Team Sweden's up for good reason. They have been the more complete team offensively, which is why they lead late in the second. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Big-time glove save! Sweden's generated a lot of quality scoring chances, which is why they lead here late in the second. Good job tangling up his opponent here. Great Britain's got control of it now here in the offensive end. Lets it go! And that carries off a stick. Trying to get it down the ice, and they get it down.
Good communication. They talk to each other. They're in the right spot. They just clear it down the ice.
The power play fails to convert. They still trail by one.
You work so hard to get yourself back in the game. You earn a power play, and then you fail to cash in. So they still trail by one. The game will continue at even strength.
Back at the point, they set it up. Great stop by the goaltender off the glove. Puck grabbed by Carlson. And he slides it quickly to Pettersson. And now it's over to Steen. Can't get a hold of that pass. Nice pass. Team Great Britain's got control of it now from their own end. Moves the puck along the half wall. Passes the puck over to Raquel. Over the line they come. Sends it across. In front of the net, and the goaltender covers up for a whistle on the play. Team Sweden's been the better team tonight, and they lead as a result late in the second. And a solid job tying up his opponent. Quick pass across to Hall. Hall's going to play it against the half wall. Move to the middle. That goes wide.
Most dangerous place on the ice, and he can't capitalize.
Here's a short pass to Pedersen. Jabs the puck away. Takes control of the puck. Takes the feed. Throws it in. Sweden's going to play the puck from behind the cage. Quick pass to Pedersen. And nearing the final minute of the second.
1 minute left.
Moves it to Pedersen. Now a quick pass to Klingberg. Handles it along the blue line. He scores!
They didn't sit back after getting that first one. They pile a back-to-back goal on here. That's a quick one-timer right in front of the net. The pass is there. He's got no time to do anything with it, and he beats the goalie.
Team Sweden's got a 2-goal lead now. Do you subscribe to the theory a good defense is a good offense?
100%, in particular the way that the game is played these days. Too easy to call penalties against you if you sit back. I say play in the other end.
John Klingberg.
Pass back to the point. Great glove save.
Time of the goal. 19 minutes, 14 seconds.
Sweden's up for good reason. They have been the more complete team offensively, which is why they lead late in the second. Backstrom's won the draw here in the offensive zone. With the blast, and he says no! Deflected away, nice defensive use of the stick there. Here they come on the attack. Takes the feed at the point. Here's a backhander, he scores!
I thought they were going to run out of time here, James. This is a terrific time to strike here. Now you carry over the intermission. You come out for the next period feeling really good about yourself. I think he almost gave up on this. He can't find the puck, and he just stands there. This thing beats him cleanly. He never saw it.
Great Britain's got one back late in the second. How does that change things now, Ray?
From their bench, it seems like they're pretty excited. They jumped up, they're loud, they're ready to go as they try to find the equalizer.
Great Britain goal. Scored by number 61.
And that'll do it for period number 2. 2-1 is where things sit. Still anybody's game as we will head into the third period.
Hey fans, we'd like to draw your attention to the far part of the arena where we're welcoming all of our minor hockey teams here in attendance tonight.
Big third period still to come. We'll get ready for it. Hope you'll join us. And they are ready to drop the puck on period number 3. Barring extra time, the final frame of this one. Here we go. Third period is underway. Once again, I'll send it back down to my broadcast partner, Ray Ferraro, who is at ringside. Ray, we've got 2 periods played. How do you see this thing?
Team Great Britain's first 2 periods have been marred by turnovers. Every time it looks like they're going to get something going, they burp up another one. They don't have the puck much, and they're behind in the game.
There's the whistle, and a penalty is coming up on this one. Forsberg's going off for 2 minutes here, boarding the call.
Just a little too rambunctious on the hit, James. He finished it too hard, and sometimes it's the noise that draws the penalty.
They'll go back to work on their special teams.
This is a pretty simplistic power play. They like to get the puck, shoot it, crash the net, get it back, and shoot it again. What a great time to have a man advantage as they trail by 1.
And tries to make a diagonal pass to Gray. Puck scooped up by Hedman. Slides it to Ekman Larson. Manages to hang on. And manages to clear the zone. Nice feed from the right wing. Team Sweden's got the puck along the boards. Picked up along the boards by Zibanejad. Gets it out of his own end. Receives the pass. Along the half wall with the puck. Snaps it onto the net. Oh, what a save in front. Clearing attempt. And he's able to move the puck across the blue line and out of harm's way. Power play set to expire. One last chance here, Ray.
Yeah, quick entry will give them some time in the offensive zone.
Solid hit on that play. And manages to clear the zone. Both teams back to even strength. Impressive job by the penalty killers on that play.
Well, this has been a familiar script. Take a penalty, kill it off. The penalty killers have been perfect tonight.
And he takes a shot. Makes the save with the glove.
Team Sweden's not taking their foot off the pedal. They've been aggressive this entire period, and they're controlling the play and have the lead.
Sweden's outplayed the opposition tonight, particularly offensively, as they lead it early in this third period. Myers wins the draw on their own end. Picks it up, and they turn on the pressure. Oh, he stopped that one. That was a fireball. And now he moves it quickly to Backstrom. And that's broken up with a stick in front. With the puck under siege, can he get out of the zone here? Knocks the puck loose after a solid hit. Lindholm's got it against the boards. Oh, wow! What a save with the glove! Can't keep a hold of it. Puts it on net. Big stop by the keeper.
Yeah, he's pretty good positioning here, James. He makes the two stops back-to-back.
Carries it in. Centering pass. Quick shot. Oh, the glove save. Where'd that come from?
Quick hands. Not only does he get a glove on it, he catches it, which is hard to do.
Lots of time left in this period. We've got a 2-1 game. Offense's own face-off, and he wins the draw. Sends the pass over. Hammers one. Makes the save on the slapper. Team Sweden's done a wonderful job putting a lot of pucks on net, and they lead it early in this third period. Pettersson's won the draw deep in the defensive zone. Moves it quickly over to Raquel. Puck picked up by Nylander. Through the offensive zone and behind the net now. Here's a blast. Big time stop. Works it across to Hall. Up along the wing. Dumps it into the O-zone. Sweden's got the puck along the wall. And now he angles it across to Pettersson. Team Great Britain's got the puck in their own end. Hall's got the puck. Stays with it. Quick feed to Raquel. Raquel's swooping in on the attack. Handles it again. And he uses his reach to disrupt the play. Moves it around along the half wall. Takes a shot. Oh, what a save with the glove. In front, and a stoppage on the play as the goaltender covers things up. Team Sweden's got the edge in the shot department, a big reason why they lead here in this third period. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Moves the puck down low. Solid body contact. Makes the save as that goes off the glove. Slides it across to Eriksson. Here's a chance. Eriksson's got it in the offensive zone. Here's a shot. Makes the save. Carries it across the line. Slides the puck over. Backlund's got it along the wing. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Taken by Eriksson. Just wide. Along the wing up the neutral zone. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Oh, it comes up with nothing on the play. Puck sent over to Landeskog. Slides the puck across to Ekman Larson. On the attack along the boards. Slides the puck down low. And now it's grabbed by Zibanejad. Wide of the net.
He's got to do something a little better than that. Just can't finish it from there.
Wonder if that gives him a nightmare later. And a poke check knocks the puck away. Shot! And too much traffic in front blocks that one. Pokes it away in his own end. Landeskog's caught up with the hook, and the official saw it. And let's see what the call is. And the official signaling for hooking on the play.
Got to move your feet here. You're chasing the play. As soon as you stop your feet, you're going to get called.
Time for the power play unit to get back to work.
The power play can be so frustrating when you get an opportunity and it doesn't go well. You start to press pretty quickly into it. Now's the time to relax, readjust, and attack again.
Eriksson's got it along the boards. Reads the play and forces the turnover. And now he moves it to Forsberg. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Knocked away. And that puck leaves the zone. And he gives it over to Forsberg. Takes that pass back at the point. That's intercepted. Gets it out of his own end. From their own end, and they'll get a fresh set of legs out there on this man advantage. And it's a quick pass to Eriksson. Lets the wrister fly. And the goaltender makes an easy glove save.
Sometimes you're in close, there's no room to put it anywhere. The goalie smothered it all.
Sweden's been the better team tonight. They have turned good defense into solid offense, and they lead here in the third. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Here's a short pass to Steen. And that shot gets caught in traffic. With the backhand, stones him in front.
I like how he was able to follow the puck. Good save in close.
Team Sweden's attempt to put more pucks on net has paid off as they lead it in the third. Off the draw, and he ties up his opponent. Sweden's got a hold of it against the wall. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Team Sweden's trying to make something happen in the offensive zone. And the parade to the penalty box will continue as play is called for yet another penalty. The call is hooking on the play.
This is a penalty of bad positioning. You reach out to try and slow the guy down, you're going to get called almost every time.
The power play unit goes right back to work. And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. And manages to clear the zone. Sweden's got a hold of it along the wall. And he slides it quickly to Eriksson. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Centering pass, and that's picked off. Gets it out of his own end. Team Sweden's gained possession along the boards. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. And now he tries to get it across to Lindholm. Here's a chance. Denies him in front.
Really good positioning as he makes the stop from in tight.
Past the halfway mark of this period, it's 2-1. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. And that's turned aside with a glove.
The shooter's right in the guts of the ice, but the goalie squares up, spreads out, and makes the save.
Sweden's got the puck. Slides it diagonally to Steen. With possession along the wall. And that one's turned away. And manages to clear the zone. Looks to pass it to Steen. Solid effort by the penalty-killing unit as the power play comes up empty.
Good work by the Killers here. They give themselves an opportunity as giving up another one would be almost a death blow.
Moves it over to Lee. Lee's got it across the line. Unloads it. That's blocked. Puck grab by Backlund. Moves the puck to Landeskog. Moves the puck along the half wall. Feeds it to Landeskog. Sends a pass over. Sends it down low. On the doorstep, and that one's broken up by a great defensive play. They've got numbers. Puts it on net and makes the save. He scores! He puts it in the back of the net. Hang on here.
Yeah, going to be no goal. I believe, James, this is going to be ruled a kicking motion, and this will be waved off. This is about the only time an official is popular. The away team gets the goal disallowed after video review.
No time to think about that non-goal calls. We are ready to resume here. Backstrom's won possession. Quick pass to Backstrom. Here's an odd man rush. And that shot goes nowhere as the lane was filled. Team Sweden's got the puck along the boards. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Puts it up front. Knocked around, but keeps it going. That's using the body on the block. And now it's over to Hall. What a great read breaking up the pass. And he slides it quickly to Carlson. Carlson's got it on the offensive end. With some momentum driving towards the net. Skates in behind the cage. On the wraparound.
That's close, James. The goaltender ends up beating the shooter to the post. That looks like it's a goal, but it's shut down.
Back to the point it goes. Centering pass with authority again.
James, I'm almost feeling sorry for him here. He's been throttled so many times tonight.
Carlson's going to play it against the half wall. Tries to dangle and the puck skips away.
Carlson's in good position to create a scoring chance, but he bobbles the puck, and the chance is gone.
Nylander's got it into offensive territory. Puck scooped up by Nylander. Now a quick pass to Lindholm. Here's a blast, and a beautiful stop by the glove.
That was a big hit. You've got to be willing to put your own body on the line to make a hit like that.
Here in the dying moments of this period, it's a 2-1 hockey game. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. O'Brien's carrying it ahead. Moves it to Ekman-Larsson. And now he moves it quickly to Nylander. Along the half wall with the puck. Moves it quickly over to Nylander. Whoa. Scores! It's in the back of the net!
This is a perfect shot placed up over the high blocker side. The goaltender can't get a stick on it. He doesn't get his blocker on it. He's down in the butterfly, I think, a little too soon.
Sweden's not far from the finish line here as they lead it late in this third. Zibanejad's won it. Puck picked up by Klingberg. Handles the puck. Zibanejad's got it against the boards. And now it's to Dahlin. Off target. Great Britain's got the puck along the wall. Up the neutral zone now. Under a minute to go here in regulation time. Trailing in this one, they have pulled the goalie and the extra attackers out. Through center along the wing. Takes it across the blue line and tries to make a diagonal pass to Klingberg. Takes the pass. Here they are on the attack. Team Sweden's got a hold of it against the wall. Quick feed to Zibanejad. A chance to end it, just wide. Sweden's ready to go on the attack. To the empty net. Denies the chance by blocking it. Towards the empty net. Team Great Britain's got a hold of it along the wall. And the puck's back on his blade here at center. Scrum ensues along the boards. Moves it around along the half wall. Fires one with the stop.
Really smooth stop here as he deflects this puck into the corner out of danger.
And that brings an end to this one here Ray, more shots generally translates to more scoring opportunities, in this case, more goals.
You need to finish at the end of the day, but if you have more shots, a lot of people feel that's a really good marker for the game. More territorial play in the offensive zone.
For Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski. We'll see you next time we drop the puck.
Yo, 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 yo.